Hi, I am Virendra Rajput from CAD Learning Resources. In this Catia tutorial, you will learn to draw this complex 2D sketch. In this sketch, all the dimensions are in inches instead of millimeters. So first, we need to change units in Catia. Go to the Tools, click Options. Then in General tab, click Parameters and Measure. Here second tab is Units. Currently, length is in millimeter. So click here on the down arrow and select inch and OK. Now go to the Start Mechanical Design, Part Design, enter part name Complex 2D Sketch 2 and OK. Click YZ plane and then sketch. Let us start with these two circles. So double click on circle. Click here, center point, drag the mouse, click here. Again, click center point, drag the mouse, click here. To come out of the command, click on circle, double click on constraint, click here, drag the mouse and click here. Again, select this circle, drag the mouse, click here. So, diameter of outer circle is 1.75. Double click here. Here it is radius. So, click on the down arrow and make it diameter. And here type 1.75 from the keyboard and press OK. Similarly, double click here. Diameter of inner circle is 1.125. So make it diameter and type 1.125. Press enter or OK. To come out of the command, click on constraint. Click on the down arrow of rectangle and select elongated hole. Drag this axis. A dotted line will appear here. Then click here, drag the mouse and draw horizontal line here. Click end point of the line and drag the mouse. Similarly, again click elongated hole. So click here first point and click here second point, drag the mouse, click here. We don't want these dimensions, so click and press delete key from the keyboard. Now double click on constraint, select this arc, click here, click this arc, drag the mouse and click here. Now radius of outer arc is 0.75. So double click here and type 0.75, press enter. Radius of inner arc is 0.437. So double click here, type 0.437, press enter. Now to come out of the command, click on constraint. Right click on this horizontal line and from the line object, make it horizontal. Here H will appear. Similarly, right click on the bottom line and make it horizontal. Now click on axis. Click this first point, drag the mouse and click here. Click constraint and select horizontal axis. Click here. This angle is 40 degree. So double click on the dimension value and type 40 from keyboard, press enter. Now let us complete this portion. So click on the down arrow of elongated hole and select cylindrical elongated hole. Click first point as a center point, then drag the mouse and on the inclined line click here, drag the mouse, drag horizontal axis and click here. Again drag the mouse and click here. Similarly, again select cylindrical elongated hole, click center point and repeat the process. click here for first point, click here for second point, drag the mouse and click here. Click outside. Now here you will see this arc is tangent with this arc. So we don't need this because we cannot change dimensions further. So just click this symbol of tangency and from the keyboard press delete. Just you pick this point and drag the dimension here. Similarly pick this point and drag here. So radius of outer arc is 0.875. Double click here and type 0.875. Okay. Similarly this is 0.438. Press enter. Now double click constraint, select this arc, drag the mouse and click here. So this distance is 2.312. Double click here and type 2.312. OK. Now select this horizontal line, drag the mouse and click here. Double click here. This distance is 1. So type 1 from the keyboard, press enter. Again select this point and this point, drag the mouse, click here. So this distance is 5.804. Press OK. To come out of the command, click on constraint. Now double click on circle, click somewhere here, drag the mouse. Now you will observe when I drag the mouse and here it is showing you symbol of tangency with this arc. So in this case it will be always tangent with this arc. So it will become difficult to change its dimension further. So just avoid to lock these constraints. So just drag the mouse. Now it is not locking with any other parameter and then click here. Again click on the center point, drag the mouse and click here. So to come out of the command, click circle. Double click on constraint, select this, click here, select outer circle, click here. So diameter of the outer circle is 1.625. Double click here, type 1.625, press enter. Diameter of inner circle is 0.75. Press enter. Now select center point of the circle and vertical axis, drag the mouse, click here. This distance is 0.75. So double click here, type 0.75, press enter. Again select center point of the circle and horizontal axis, drag the mouse, click here. This distance is 1.875. Double click here and type 1.875, press enter. To come out of the command, click on constraint. Now click on circle, take this as center point, drag the mouse. Now it is locking here as a tangent. So drag mouse. Okay. Now click here. Again click constraint, drag the mouse, click here. Double click this value. Now it is diameter. Actually we want this radius of 1.375. So make it radius and type here 1.375. Press enter. Now click on the down arrow of line and select bitangent line. Click on this arc and this circle. So tangent line is drawn. Again, take circle, click somewhere here, draw one circle, click constraint, click here. So we want this radius 1.75, double click here, type 1.75, press enter, click outside. Click this circle, press and hold control, click this circle and click constraint define in dialog box and choose tangency. OK. Repeat the process. Click this circle, press and hold control, click horizontal line, click constraint define in dialog box, choose tangency. OK. Now click on the down arrow of the trim and select quick trim and click this portion of the circle so it will get trimmed. Now take circle, click here and draw one circle, click constraint, click here. So this radius is 0.625, double click here, type 0.625 from the keyboard, press enter. Click this circle, press and hold control, click this arc, click constraint define in dialog box, choose tangency, OK. Again repeat. Click this circle, press and hold control, select this circle, constraint define in dialog box, click choose tangency, OK. Select quick trim and click this portion of the circle. Similarly, we have completed this arc. Now double click on quick trim and click the segments which we don't need. Okay, and click here. And to come out of the command, click on quick trim and it's done. In this way, we have completed this complex 2D sketch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.